Hi everybody, a very good morning from the Izara Cricket Fiesta 2024. I'm delighted to be at this absolutely scenic ground for the 12th edition of this tournament that I founded in 2010. As most of you know here, I started with 8 teams and today we've grown to 16 teams and looking ahead to much more. So the Izara Cricket Fiesta is a very inclusive tournament. That's the way I created it. It includes one and all, it's for everybody. It's a no-hold-barred tournament. Yes, we do have limits about what we take in and what we don't take in, but generally the Izara Cricket Fiesta has teams from largely from the marine community. I'm delighted and I'm very grateful for their support. All my teams in here. Also have teams, like I said, it's an inclusive tournament. So we have teams from the IT field, we have doctors, we have bankers. Generally, it's a space where it's a tournament that cricketers look forward to. And if I may say so, without being very unabashed, this is one of the biggest tournaments that Singapore holds today. And I'm very grateful to be able to that. Now, a little bit about what's really happening here is, so we're at day 2 today. And the universe has been very kind. The Dempsey ground is an extremely beautiful ground to be at. And yes, it's got its challenges with a lot of, because it's very green, so it gets it gets a little mucky, it gets a little slushy. But having said that, it's a very scenic ground, and I think the teams are having a great time playing. We've got some fantastic teams, and this year, since I've changed format after 12 years of doing the same thing, I thought let me put some excitement into the game. I can see a lot more happening, a lot of action. I can see some super fantastic play in here, and it's fantastic. So moving on to my sponsors, without whom nothing is really possible. Mizzen Digital, who has made this so possible for me by being so generous, their kind support. Dynamarine all the way from Greece, Alex Glikas. And Mizzen Digital, we have Sandeep De Silva, who's here with us today and who just spoke a little before me. And we have Dynamarine, we have Alex Glikas, and a company that does STS operations. And he's not with us, but his people are here, of course. And then we have Abhay Charan, the CEO, Captain Abhay Charan, the CEO and founder of Aadhaar Maritime. It's a B2B shipping consultancy that connects business to business. And Abhay Charan Captain Charan is a veteran in the industry, and virtually everybody knows him. So we're delighted to have their support. Moving on, we also have with us SKTB. Now, what is SKTB? I am not too sure of the full name, but I know there are these 4 kids who formed, who are basically entrepreneurs, and so that's them, cricket equipment. Then we have Orient Maritime. Everybody knows them. They're agents. Then we have the Asian Marine Consultants, AMC. Then we have Chavik. Chavik Aquate is a company that's from India, Gurgaon, and they again do shipping operations. They are our partners. And then we have the rest of the teams in there who are all here in presence. And I'd like to say a big thank you to my technical team, Senthil, and his entire team who makes this also possible. A big thank you to Khairul, who's behind the camera, and his team who makes it all possible. Yunus, who's at pictures, Tatiana and her little assistant, and Sanit, and everybody else who's here, Gravy who's here, everybody who's making this so possible. So with that, I'll sign off and leave you all to enjoy the day, and thank you very much once again.